Hey, it's Shane Voth with Apex Agent Academy, and today I'm going to be talking about why so many agents and realtors never achieve financial freedom. Okay, so what I've learned about why so many agents never achieve financial freedom is agents don't understand the difference between an active income and a passive residual income. Now, I'll explain it real quick. An active income is you sell a house, you get paid, right? And with this kind of income, it's changing time for money is what you're doing, right? You go in, you work a certain amount of hours, you sell a certain amount of homes, and every year, January 1 rolls around, you start from zero. I'll use myself as an example. 2021, I sold 90 homes. It was a good amount of homes for me. I was really happy with that. The thing is, January 1 rolls around, and I'm starting from zero. And I look back on the year, and I'm like, you know what? I had a good year. I definitely can continue this, but am I going to continue that level of sales for the next 20 years? And I was like, I don't know that I want to do that. That was a lot of work. I'd like to take some more time. The problem was my lifestyle caught up to the income level that I was earning at that time. So I didn't have the option to put on the brakes at all, right? Now, a passive income is one where you do work, but January 1 rolls around and you pick up at the same income level that you were earning in December because you're earning this passive residual paid every month, and it typically grows over time. So December ends, you're picking up right in January where you left off in December, only typically even a little bit higher as it grows. EXP's been able to bring this to agents, and that passive residual is allowing people to have a better ability for retirement, for example. Like if you saved up $1 million, and I'm talking $1 million after-tax dollars, and you saved it and you put that away for retirement, you'll make about $4,000 a month on that money. And, I don't know about you, but if you've built up the kind of lifestyle expectation as a realtor, driving the kind of cars you want to drive, $4,000 a month is kind of tough to live on. But you've had to have saved up $1 million. Like that's a lot of money to have just in an account earning interest. I'm not talking about rental properties or having it in equity in your home. I mean $1 million cash in the bank earning interest in order to make that $4,000. On the flip side, if you're with EXP and let's say you recruit 5 agents over the next 2 years and you do this for a couple of years, you can very easily obtain that $4,000 a month as a residual income, and you'll continue earning it long after you've sold your last house. And that's the game changer that's opening so many agents up to this model. They don't have to be a recruiter. Like I focus on sales. So many of us do. But it's doing a deal with an agent and the transaction goes well. And you're like, this person could really benefit from this. And you just let them know about the benefits of EXP and bring them over. I'm not talking about being a full-time recruiter. We're talking 5 people over 2 years. I mean, if you do 20 deals a year, there's 20 opportunities to give yourself to talk to an agent to invite them over to check out EXP. Having that residual income, it's a game changer for this, and it allows you to have that financial freedom because January 1 rolls around, you're not starting from zero. You're starting exactly where you ended last year, and you can still go out and crush as many sales as you want, but it's putting in that little bit of work. It's just giving you opportunities later in life. And you know what? It can actually open up things now. Like imagine what you would do if you woke up and January 1, you knew you'd have $4,000 a month coming in. Maybe that covers your mortgage. Maybe it covers car payments. Maybe it pays for more than that. just imagine what kind of financial freedom you would have if you had that amount guaranteed coming in long after you've sold your last house. Anyway, if you have more questions on this, I'm happy to dive into it for you. Please send me a message or comment below.